Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Shopify's account with Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end. To link your Shopify's account with Facebook, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The homepage of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on My Store icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on email address associated with your Shopify's account. On the next page, tap on Manage Account option. Scroll all the way down and under Connected Login Service, click on Connect to Facebook option. Enter your email address or phone number and password associated with your Facebook's account and tap on Login. This is how you can connect your Shopify's account with your Facebook account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.